Someone who is hated.
Okay.
Dictator.
A body part that is hard. An athlete caught using illegal substance.
A mask at a birthday party. Oh!
Gano'n mo na energy yung pagtanong. Parang
Ang
bagong
mas.
gising eh. Ulitin natin.
Ito guys. Oh!
Sabi dito, top of mind.
Oh.
So dapat yung sagot mo pang top notcher.
Hi, I'm Shoni.
I'm Chan and we are
Baka Off Key.
So for today's video, yan, so kami ay bumili ng misteryosong card. Ng misteryosong card.
How mysterious.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 2. Misteryoso. Ito ang aming nabili na card game. So, top of mind. And so, we decided to take the challenge.
Yes.
Yan. Siyempre, ang Baka Okay laging on another level.
Oh, hindi tayo umatras sa mga ano.
Oh, hindi
mga
tayo
pa-challenge nila.
aatras.
Oh.
At aalis. Ang matras. Ayan, so, sabi dito, what do you think the others will answer?
Oh,
Isasagot
babasahin
namin.
ko yung mga ano, yung isip namin.
Oo, nakakalat kayo yung card. Bubulot lang kami, one at a time. Tapos yun, we will answer habang kumakain ng mga paborito nating classic chichirin.
Let's go.
So, pick up mo.
So,
Ito naman
sino
lagi
ang
nating
tatay?
gawin. Pag may game, lagi tayo may pick up mo.
Pick up mo. Pick back boom. Pick back boom. Pick back boom. Ano na una for today?
So, yung talo, anong siya ang unang bubunot to answer.
Oh,
Ganun. Okay, game.
game.
Okay. Ang baranong top of mind.
Naku, galingan mo ng pipili.
O kasi kailangan sabi dito top of mind.
Oh.
So dapat yung sagot mo pang top notcher.
Uh-oh.
O, pag hindi ka pang top notcher, parang bubukas yung pinto ng kusa, lalabas.
Oh.
May eliminate.
May or baka may eject ka dito sa ano.
Bubukas tong kutsyon.
Hindi couch to action.
Nakikutsyon din ako. Yan, so game.
Game.
Yan tayo. Tsaka, kung hindi nyo na itatanong, naka ano rin kami, formal top.
Oo.
Pero, sa pangbabae, pantulog. Ay, ipakita yung pantulog niya kasi kulay.
Kulay. Yan.
Okay, game. So, yan tayo. Ito ang unang card.
Unang
Gusto natin ng ano lagi, nang pinapahirapan yung sarili natin. Gawin natin.
Kasi yung ano gusto ng mga viewers
Oh, ito ang unang tanong. So, isa-zoom na lang ito mamaya. Ay, hindi. Sa pag-edit, hindi pala mamaya. Ayan, unang tanong.
Unang tanong, a mask at a birthday party.
Well, lagyan mo naman ng energy yung pagtanong. Parang
Ang
bagong
mas!
gising eh. Ulitin natin.
A mask at a birthday party.
A must. Cake.
Wow.
Next.
Something that has a zipper.
Ha? Sisi. Parang naging tongue twister.
Something that has a zipper.
Pants.
Pants.
O, sige, ubusin natin.
Sige.
Mabilis na tayo parang fast
A mountain.
A mountain. Apo.
A type of shellfish.
Shellfish. Clam.
Ah!
Tingnan mo dyan.
Oh, top notch ba? Guys, comment down below kung
Ay.
top notch ba yung sagot niyo.
Pero hindi na ba value ng comment ng iba ang ating
Kasama.
mag-value sa sarili.
Oh!
Bro, ikaw na. Okay, so, mabilisan to.
Oo.
One, ready ka na?
Oo.
Ready ka na?
Yes, of
Okay.
course.
A sandwich topping.
Kamatis.
A tourist attraction in Manila.
Rizal.
In Manila?
Rizal Park.
Okay. Ikaw lang.
Sorry, Rizal Park,
Province.
Rizal Park.
A day of the week.
At yung Monday.
Ay, gusto ng Monday. Ang sipag po mga kababayan. Gusto niya pong mag-work. Job. I'd be
Job.
terrible at.
Job, ano terrible at?
A job I'd be terrible at. Na pag ginawa mo, ang inisip mo baka maging, hindi ka good.
Construction.
Very real estate po, no? Pagkita tayo. Ano pang mga tanong? Go, job.
First question, something you can collect.
I can
You
collect.
can collect.
Kasi parang may
Something
doon.
you can collect.
You can collect. So, I can collect, hirap naman. Pen? Pen?
A room in a house.
Room in a house. Bedroom.
Something you can eat with a spoon.
Bedroom.
Ah.
Oh
Something you
yeah.
can eat with a spoon.
Graham cake. Very specific. Ulit.
A shoe brand.
A shoe brand. Adidas. Ikaw na.
Ako. Ito guys.
Okay. Ang tanong ay, a sport in which clubs are used?
Clubs, ano ba yun? Golf.
Okay. A type of mushroom.
Mushroom. Shirataki.
Something you wear in hot weather.
Sando.
Wow. A major TV network.
Wala nang ibig-ibig. So, GMA na lang.
Ako naman. So parang walang gustong kumain ng ano, no?
Oo.
So pondicherry namin.
Ito, guys. Nakikilala niyo ba to?
Sponsored. Pero grabe yung tier here. Parang ayaw mo pa po.
Kasi yung tier dyan, papakinggan, hindi
Tier.
Oo, diba?
Galing. Di ba ng tier there? Tier there, hindi dito, kaya hindi ko mabuksan. Ako na bumuno, di ba?
Oo, ikaw na. ASRM tayo.
Balik.
ASMR?
Katahimik ko. Hindi rin kasi ang layo. Sabi niya, parang may comment. Hindi ko na.
Mali.
Wow.
A character from The Simpsons.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam sino.
Sige.
Pass.
Pass. A man's name that starts with H.
H. H.
May pakilala.
Henry.
Oh. A high school math class.
High school math class? Kung anong math yung pinag-aaral na high
Oh,
school?
feeling ko to yun.
Algebra.
A baby shower gift.
Ano? Baby socks.
Pwede,
Baby socks.
pwede. Ako naman. Dan.
A Disney film with animal characters.
Lion King.
A means of transportation where someone else is driving.
Driving. Truck.
A means of transportation.
A means of transportation. Edi taxi.
Kasi yung parang truck pang ano. Hindi siya pang truck. Okay. An unsuccessful candidate for Philippine president.
Successful ka. Kasi na yung presidente natin.
Unsuccessful candidate for Philippine president.
O di si Suleni.
A unit of measurement.
A unit of measurement. Ano ba yung mga pounds, ganyan? Kilos?
Okay. Next.
Ikaw na.
Ikaw muna.
Ay,
Baka
ako nga
mababasa.
pala. Ako nga pala. Sorry.
Ikaw lang. A coffee brand.
Ay, parang, nakasagot na ako.
Hindi ba?
Ay, hindi pa ba?
Hindi pa.
Sige. Okay, brand. Nescafe.
A type of tree.
Tree. Ginkgo tree.
Wow. Ano yung ginkgo biloba?
Sa kanila, ginkgo tree.
Wow. So mga kababayan, ayaw niya po ng puno sa Pinas. Something only used in the summer.
Summer. Ano ka? Yung sando, diba? Ang hirap, pass na lang.
In the summer?
Ay, wait lang! Sunblock!
A kitchen appliance.
Kitchen appliance, oven.
Wow. Go. Bilang tagaluto. Ay, ako pala bubunot. Dahil nagluluto ka. Go.
An internet company.
PLDT.
Something you can find in London.
Yung maano sa ano London, yung Twin Tower, di ba yun? Twin Tower ng Pinas. Teka, pass.
An organ of the human body.
An organ Pancreas.
A popular dog name.
Blackie. Blackie.
Oo nga, ano, bakit ganun yung pinapangalan?
Pero ano bang mga popular na sa London? Hindi ako kumano sa... Hindi pa ako nakapunta ng London kasi.
London Bridge.
It's falling down. Medyo masaya to, no?
Yes!
Medyo parang fast talk. Something that is soft.
So, pillow.
A popular restaurant appetizer.
Appetizer. Ano po? Appetizer lang ba? Parang lahat naman ng restaurant meron. Pork.
Hindi, ang sinasabi, a popular restaurant appetizer. So, anong specific appetizer yung popular sa mga restaurant?
Sorry. Nachos.
Something parents of small children always have on them.
Ano daw?
Something parents of small children always have on them.
Diaper.
A must at a picnic.
Picnic. Eh di picnic basket.
Dahil dyan, kumain ka ng Mr. Chips.
Chips.
Sarap din yan.
Lasang Tommy, no?
Okay. So, kita pa natin yung mga card dito. Yan, nasa chair.
A member of royalty.
Princess Diana.
Something many people buy used.
Ulit.
Something many people buy used. Kumbaga ano siya, second hand.
Buy used. Car.
A nocturnal animal.
Bat.
A type of hat.
Hat. Tropical hat. Summer hat.
Summer hat.
Oh, summer hat. So,
Here.
Mama.
Malulula.
Mama.
No.
Game. A soap opera.
Soap opera. Ngayon, ano ba? Hindi ko alam. Pangako sa'yo.
Wala naman sinabing ngayon eh. Kahit okay lang yan.
Pangako sa'yo, lumalayo.
Something people put in their pockets.
Coins.
A member of a wedding party.
Wedding party. Bridesmaid.
A fairy tale.
Fairy tale. Cinderella. Ay, ako na ba nagulunod, no?
Game. Are you ready?
Yes.
An extreme sport.
Extreme sport. Eh, di ano? Baseball.
Something that's almost too sweet.
Too sweet.
Almost.
Almost. Too sweet. Eh, di ano? Chocolate.
Almost lang ba? Hindi ba yung too sweet?
Dali lang. Ano ba yun?
Hindi, yun yung sabi
Oh,
ng
sige.
top of mind daw.
Oo, sorry.
An exotic fruit.
Exotic fruit. Teka, langka.
A credit card company.
Company, VPI.
Go.
O, ikaw na.
Wala pala.
Ayan.
Parang magkakasingaw na naman po ako ng mga kababayan dahil nagchichicks na naman po tayo.
Kaya?
Tumatama sa ngalangala. Ano ba yung pakuha?
Hindi gumagana ngayon ang iyong hand
Ayan.
powers.
Kaya nga.
An animal sound, make the sound.
Oh! Aswang pala. Hindi ano yun. Yung ano, husky.
Husky ba yun?
Oh!
Social husky talaga.
Husky yun.
Something you find in a garden.
Grass.
A Republican politician. Republican politician.
Next.
Sige. An old-fashioned man's name.
Huh? An
Yung
old
magandang
fashioned
pangalan.
man name.
Ang lalaki.
Fashion's man name.
An old-fashioned
An
man's
old.
name.
Wala akong idea.
Wala. Ito ano, pwedeng Pepito, mga ganon. Yung mga ano,
Fashion ba
Jose.
yun?
Wow!
Old-fashioned.
Ah, okay.
Old-fashioned.
Hindi
Sabi
kasi.
ko lumang pangalan.
Okay. Kasi kala ko old fashioned na Men's Day. Old fashioned.
Fashion.
Fashion with ED. Old fashioned men's name. Eh di Pedro.
Pedro, ayan.
So sabi po ng timer, meron na lang tayong 8 minutes. Okay. Oh, ready. Ito, ready ka na talaga dito.
Oh!
Lagi ka ganyan naman magbunod ng Red Dead, di ba?
Yes!
Naintindihan mo yun? A body part that is hard.
Hard. Eh, the head.
Ano? Yeah. A state that starts with M.
M. Ano? Minnesota? Tama ba? Sorry. Pero
Okay.
ano?
Something very few men buy.
By. Human by? Eh, di ano? Lotion.
A type of bread.
Bread. Shibata.
Kala ko Spanish eh.
Pwede.
Oh, go. Ako na pala. Pala Sabi ni Shanika, di daw po naglo-lotion ng mga lalaki. Tama
Hindi lahat,
naman.
diba?
Kaya ano, kaya nagbabalat ang kamay. Ang ating next. Oh.
Someone who dresses well.
Someone as well. Marian Rivera.
A continent.
A continent, Asia.
A US coin.
US coin? Not familiar. I'm not American. Go.
A Julia Roberts movie.
Ala, narinig ko siya pero di ko rin siya kilala.
Sige, since sa Pilipino tayo, no,
Sige.
A Marian Rivera's movie.
Movie? May movie ba siya? Ay, movie pala siya sa
Ito na lang.
Oo.
Sino ba
Hindi ako
siya?
maano sa mga movie.
Sa Channel 2. O sige, eh.
Hindi, alam ko lang Marian teleserye.
Ah.
Darna. Okay na yun.
Okay.
Hindi ko yung mga movie niya. Sorry po. Oh, go. Game? Ready ka na?
Yes!
A school subject.
School sa math.
Wow, favorite. A man with long hair.
Magbibigay ako kung sino. Steven Tyler.
Hindi ko rin kilala. Someone who published their memoir.
Ano yung member?
You know, memoir.
Ayaw ko nga, aspas.
A coastal place in the Philippines.
Coastal place. Sa Pasay. Coastal.
Ba doon?
Hindi,
Yung may dagat?
Hindi,
May dagat?
Palawan.
Pala.
Oo, ikaw na. A word that starts with letter SH.
SH. Start with SH? Ship.
A billionaire.
Billionaire. Sino na tayo sa Pinas? Sa Pinas, si Chairman Gokomoy.
A number you can roll with a die. As in patay? A number you can
A
roll
die.
with a die.
5. Dice.
Ah,
Yun ba yun?
parang.
Yun. Alam ko dice yun. Go.
A sport arena or stadium.
Philippine Arena.
Ah?
Go. Parang kumain ka naman, hindi ka kumakain.
Oo nga eh. Diet
Parang ako
kasi
lang
ako eh.
ASMR moment ulit.
Ako lang bubunod, no?
Game.
Mm.
A football team.
Aspas.
Something you can find in every city.
Something?
You can find in every city.
City? Di ano? Munisipyo.
A word that starts with by.
Goodbye. As in buy.
Buy?
Buyer.
Okay na yan. Sounds like something to eat with coffee.
Coffee. Biscuit.
Okay. I-shake po natin. Wow.
A high-paying job.
High-paying job. IT.
IT.
Kaso di tayo IT.
A city in Texas.
City in Texas. Hindi rin ako
Familiar.
Oh.
Something used in the winter.
Jacket.
A vegetable.
Favorite. Bitter gourd.
Ano bitter gourd?
Ang palaya.
Sorry guys, di ako familiar.
Okay, ikaw na.
Parang ang social lang.
Yan. Go. An inappropriate gift for a birthday.
Appropriate.
Inappropriate gift for a birthday. O, ulitin natin. An inappropriate gift for a birthday.
Baril.
Wow! Tama! Tama!
Diba?
Tama! A type of whale.
Whale. Di ako familiar eh.
Okay. A major bank.
Back. Ano? BPI.
A food that kids don't like.
Don't like. Vegetables.
No.
Okay. Okay na. So we only have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. So,
Someone who is hated.
who is hated? Social media influencer. Oh, general.
Pwede.
Ah.
A famous painter.
Da Vinci.
Something that is hot to the touch.
Hot to the touch. Cat's eye. Touch. Ano yun? Sorry, I'll go.
A popular phone app.
Phone app. Viber.
Viber.
Okay. An athlete caught using illegal substance.
Substance. Huwag na tayo.
Controversial.
Controversial.
Okay.
Pass.
Something that has wheels.
Will score.
A TV show whose reruns never get old.
Friends.
A country in Africa.
Africa. Hindi ko alam eh. Sorry.
Okay, go na. Ako na. Here, go.
Something that is easily broken.
Easily broken. Yung tasan ng pencil.
Pwede naman. A bad habit.
Bad habit. Too much using the phone.
Oh. A relative.
Relative. Tita.
An ice cream flavor.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Hey, the favorite.
We only have 44 seconds. Go. Something you can buy at a pharmacy that's not medicine.
Medicine, shampoo.
A country in South America.
I'm not familiar.
Okay. A cheap flavor.
A
Chips. A
chips.
cheap flavor.
Barbecue.
A TV chef.
TV chef. Chef. Boy Logro.
Go. Last na tayo. Last 20 seconds. Go.
A women's magazine.
Women's magazine. FHM.
A dictator.
Dictator. Pass.
Food you eat when you're broke.
When I'm broke, Jollibee food.
A bald person.
Bulk?
Bald.
Boss namin. Tapos. Sakto. Time na. Oh, hey. Let's clap our hands. Because we're the top of
Mine.
our mind. Not the mind of all.
Of all.
But only our mind.
Yeah.
And so, yun. Sana naging happy kayo doon. And
Mabilisan lang guys, di ba?
very top of mind.
Oh.
Ayun, panoorin niyo ang mga susunod naming mga bardagulan at mga balitaktakan. at mga joke. At mga
Minsan lutang moments.
at mga linga. Sabi sa bahay buko.
Ay, oo nga, no.
Ayan, so yun, hope you enjoyed watching and see you on our next vlog.
Next vlog. Bye guys!
Thank you. Ayan, so Choni, anong gagawin natin for today's video? Di pala, hindi to tongue twister, no? Pero medyo nagtitwist yung tongue ko.
Sa tingin ko, wala.
Ano yung gagawin?
Wala.
Siesta.
Oo. Maulan ngayon, so parang feeling ko wala tayong gagawin.
Wala tayong gagawin.
Oo.
Let's go. Ayan, so, paliwanag mo naman ang ating gagawin for today.
So, ang gagawin natin for today ay, may nabili kami isang card eh. Itong card na to, ang title niya is Top of Mind. Pero hindi pa namin alam kung anong nakasulat dito, guys.
Parang kulang ng paliwanag. Ayan, sige, ako muna. Ay, ano na lang natin.
Ah.
Yan. So, 1, 2, 3, go. Yan. Pero bago mo i-sunod na yung question, bigyan mo na allowance.
Ah,
Yung
sorry,
sumasagot
sorry,
kasi
sorry.
baka may pahiging pa.
Ah, sige, sige.
Go, go. Okay na. Tapos ah.
Baka off key.
We're a singer than a worker.